Guys, if you can see, there's many different houses and they're all covered by the bush. And we also have our own little house over here, so that's really cool. We're gonna go inside right now.
Tell the story of how I've overcome. Dark were the days I didn't know the sun. Numb to the thought of love, and so I chose to run. But yeah, call me home, and so his will be done. There's hope for tomorrow with him. There's joy in sorrow. There is no greater love than this. No greater love. I find peace in knowing I'm here. Feeling far away, but I'm close to you. You know me by my name, but I chose the world instead of you. Had no clue why the days were so blue. Only if I recognize you're not a man like you should lie with him. There's hope for tomorrow with him. There's joy in sorrow. There is no greater love than this. I find peace in knowing I'm here. Walking all alone on this weary road. Heavy burdens on my shoulders with no one to bear.
Guys, good morning. So I just did my face, and the announcement that I have to make is I'm never hiring a makeup artist again unless it's like for my wedding, because I'm not about to be stressing on my wedding and stuff like that. Because guys, just from looking at random tutorials and reels, TikToks in my spare time, my makeup, or the way I do my makeup has significantly improved. So I'm just not doing it again. And right now I'm doing a get ready with me on TikTok, and that's where you guys will see where I bought all the things that I'm wearing right now. And I'm going to show you my Christmas outfit just now. Yes, I am recording this vlog or this video during the Christmas week, and I'm going to post immediately after our holiday is done. In the club with my twin, we be vibing. It be outside in the club. My twin, we be vibing. Okay guys, so this is my full outfits. I'm not going to give the details. You'll find that on TikTok. And then right now we have leftovers from yesterday with some tuna, chicken nuggets. Now's your time to shine. Tell the people what we're going to do.
We're going for a game drive.
Yeah.
A nice one. Woo!
Sifikile-ke ake sogibela lo gandaganda. Then there's this like stepping platform over here. I don't know what it's for.
So the mud bathing is basically for them as we use that SPF 50 sunscreen and all that.
Yeah.
So it actually just protects them from the sun and the heat and everything. So and then they do dust bathing. So that is where they literally go and roll in dust for them to be covered in dust. That is just to help them get rid of ticks and parasites and everything that's on their body. So
But in nature, the females are all ugly.
Yeah, of course.
In nature, yeah, the males are much nicer. They're beautiful.
Little cow.
With their horns.
Uzoyibona intombazane braai namhlanje uzoyibona-ke.
As long as
This is how we think a braai is done.
I think this is enough for now. Once the fire has started, we can add
Just
more.
crush that thing over. We'll see the consequences later.
Dad is gonna come in. Back.
Guys, our fire worked and we didn't use a tutorial.
Now listen, daughter, pay attention, pray and listen, hear your father. These lies they told are so familiar, they will haunt you, they will kill you, keep you hostage, king will heal you. Before him, adore him.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to each channel, Wendy. Please don't mind this fly noises in the background, cause like there's this trap thing in my jiggy. I don't know what it's called. So that flies and insects don't come inside. But guys, we're in the middle of a nature reserve. There's animals. Of course, there's gonna be flies. Of course, there's gonna be insects. So yeah. Anyway, we were so tired this morning, so we booked some of the latest activities. Our activity is at 2:30 in the afternoon. My sisters and I are going quad biking, and then my parents are going for full body massages. Yeah, and this time around I made sure to wear my gym clothes, because the last time I went quad biking, I was wearing high-waisted jeans. It was a spontaneous thing. I didn't know that I would go quad biking. I was wearing high-waisted jeans and white tackies. Till this day I haven't washed those white tackies because I don't know where to start, and I feel like it's rude to get someone else to wash them, even if like they're paid to. Guys, no, I'm not letting someone wash something that muddy. So yeah, let's go. We have arrived. There are the other ones over there, and we're wearing these helmets. I tore mine because of my nails. It is what it is. Buganta.
I surrender all. Ooh, I surrender all. Yeah, all to thee.
Calling it a day. Bye. Good morning, guys. It's another day, and everybody's feeling okay. Okay, enough of that. Anyway, today we are going to the warm baths. I want to see what that is. My parents are calling me now. I might get in, I might not. It depends on how crowded it is, because I don't like crowded places. And if you can hear some screaming, it's because my parents are listening to a sermon. And during a holiday, I don't like getting into deep stuff. Anyway, let me go to my parents before they shout at me. What do you want to do today?
I don't know. Play.
Esengithele ngishonele andisekuyakanya iminyaka sivulekile namaphupha yafezeka ngibona nemiphumela yayo nemithandazo yami siphendulwe sengibona ngamafu naphezu kwami manje liyana 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 sengibona ngamafu naphezu kwami manje liyana liyana liyana.
Guys, I want to wrap up this vlog because we leave tomorrow morning and in the early AMs. And thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you're already here, please like, guys. Haibo isono sokubuka video yonke ongayilike. Haibo bandle. And I don't get notifications for who liked the video if that's what you're scared of. And I hum the song because I'm not about to thrash it with you like that. If you liked something about the video as well, leave a comment. And a huge shout out to Sondela Nature Reserve. The service is amazing. Your staff as well, so friendly. The facilities are clean. Yeah, I enjoyed myself. So see you on my next video. To more traveling opportunities, please God. 2025, hear my prayers.